Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. As you guys can see, so Haley 1 is not here today. She did not want to join us for the noodle challenge today. We'll be doing the 2 times spicy. First we have
Xavier
and then we have
Marvin and Kevin and Jordan, Eric.
Okay, so here they are. And the rules of this the rules of this challenge today is they have to eat the noodles, and the rule is that they cannot talk. So we're gonna get started in 1, 2, 3. No talking, guys, remember. No talking. Remember, you guys have to tap the table if you guys want to get out of the game. Tap the table and then get out. If you guys think you guys can't do it, don't do it no more, okay? Look at your face, Jordan. Let me see, Eric. Just eat it quick, guys, and it will be spicy only once. Is it good though? It tastes good. It has a good taste. It's just too spicy. Remember, if you guys want to get out, just tap the table and just walk out, walk away. By the way, guys, 49ers did win today. That's why they're wearing all their jerseys. Come on, time is running out. One out. Who's going out next? No water. If you guys want water, you guys are out.
I didn't win.
Go. Who's out next? Hey, Kevin. Loser. Erica, does it taste good? It tastes all right. It's just too spicy, huh? But it has a good taste. I can just imagine when you guys go to the restroom tomorrow. Who's out? Who's out next? Nobody? Come on, you guys have to keep eating. That's the whole point. You guys can't wait until your guys' mouth is not on fire anymore. Is it really, really spicy? Almost done. You're out, Jordan? Come on, keep eating, guys. You guys wanted to do this challenge. Come on. I thought you guys could do it. Come on, guys. Keep eating. All right. You're not out yet? Another one out. Come on, guys. Who's next? We're almost got a winner. Remember, whoever finishes... Oops, sorry. Whoever finishes first wins. Come on, who's going to win? Hurry, come on. Eric.
I'm cool now. But I'll first. You're second. Let's go.
Come on. Keep eating.
Someone else is going to be out. We did this because the 49ers won. That's why.
All right. All right. One more out. 2. Who's going to win? Who's the winner? Who's the winner? Come on. You guys have to keep eating. 1, 2, 3. Who's out? Come on, Marvin, keep eating. Come on, Eric. Your lips are red, bro.
I'm good now. I'm good.
Who's gonna be out next? Come on, but you guys have to keep eating. Pick up your plate and throw it in the garbage.
You should have stayed. You got a little bit.
Come on. Who's tapping the table next?
Will he go down? Come on, your face is so red. Well, in the beginning. In the beginning.
Hurry. It's good?
You didn't feel like dizzy? Hey, do you feel like dizzy?
Come on, keep eating, keep eating. That's the whole point. You have to keep eating.
I never seen something so spicy.
Come on, who's gonna tap the table?
In the beginning, I was like, cry. No, the beginning, I have to dizzy. No, I was just like, that was a long time ago.
One. Who's out? Who's out? Eric or Marvin? Eric versus Marvin. Eric, you're good. Marvin, you too. Who's tapping the table next? Come on, keep eating. Both of you have to keep eating.
Oh, God.
Okay, Eric's out. Oh, no, he's not. He's getting a napkin. Come on, hurry. Time is running out.
5 minutes left.
No, that's enough. That's enough. You guys don't need no more napkins. Come on, just get one for yourself. Give it to him now. Give it to him. Okay, start eating. Go. Come on, Marvin. Come on. Tap or eat. You okay, Eric? Are you almost done? Are you winning today or who's winning? Yeah? Okay. Are you winning? No? All right, come on. Hurry, keep eating, Marvin. You're cheating. Eric, keep eating. Come on, keep eating. All right, we have a winner. Ding, 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 ding. Eric, are you still going to finish it?
Hey, where's the
No?
Gatorade?
Why?
Oh, you're Gatorade. You have to shake the Gatorade.
All right, guys, what do you guys have to say?
Give a big like and subscribe.
If we get 200 likes, we will do the sopa ramen thing with Takis and hot Cheetos.
Ooh, okay.
I don't think I can win.
If you guys want to support us, can you give us more than 100 likes?
Dude, he said we should.
Hit that
Give a
thumbs
big
up.
like. Give a big like.
Make sure to hit that
Big like.
the bell.
Alrighty, guys. Thank you for watching.
Bye-bye.
Alright, guys.
Bye bye.